Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my spa day routine, basically what I do when I want to like exfoliate, spend a good time, doing my skincare and so forth. So this is what I am doing this winter when it comes to like exfoliating my skin and just taking care of my skin, because I notice I haven't been doing much of that and my skin needs it. So this is what we're going to be doing today. It's going to be a winter skincare, spa, self-care routine basically. So yeah, this is what we're going to be doing. Anyway, so the first thing that you're going to see me using is this. I like to go in with this. This is a nice cleanser, really cleanse and rejuvenate your skin, and this is something that I would do in the evenings. So this is my CeraVe SA cleanser. Just use it to really cleanse the skin. Sometimes I would go in with a oil cleanser if I'm wearing makeup, but for this particular video you're not going to see me using an oil cleanser because I'm not wearing any makeup. Well, currently I'm wearing makeup, but in the video you won't see me wearing any makeup. But I like to just go in with this, the CeraVe SA cleanser, and I'm just going to cleanse. So you're going to see me cleansing and so forth. So the next thing that you're going to see me doing, or the next thing that I'm doing, is I'm going to go in with a toner. I'm going to go in with a this is a gentle exfoliating toner, but I'm going to go in with this just to restore the pH of my skin. It's not that like the pH of my skin went anywhere. It really destroy the pH of your skin, but salicylic acid is an exfoliating ingredient, so I kind of like to go in with something more a little bit gentle. So I'll go in with the gentle exfoliating solution because I don't want to do too much. So I'm not going to use the glycolic acid right after salicylic acid because this is winter. I don't want my skin to be irritated. This is what your girl is going to go in with. I'm going to take that and just, rub it into the skin. Get it nice and pretty, plump and beautiful. Yes, so the next thing I'm going to go in with is this bad boy here. This is my peeling solution. Haven't used it any at all in January, February. Yes, this is what we're doing. So this is a peeling solution. I'm going to apply this and let it sit on my face for 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes I'm gonna come back to you.
Under the current, but I won't let myself come on up for air. Get too much even though you never earned it. Sometimes I wish that I didn't care. Bleeding my darkest, love is the hardest. The faster, faster, faster I go. Gold in my pocket, I made a promise, and harder, harder, harder I hold. Love
So the next thing that I'm going to do is to apply the honey mask from I'm From. This is just going to allow the skin to be nice and calm after the storm. After the storm, let it sit, let it soak in, like season in, give it like 5 minutes to sit in to, calm my skin again and so forth. So right after this, yes, we'll let that sink in, soaking, relax and all of them jazz. Alright, so finish with that now. Skin exfoliated, nice and pretty and looking fluffy and nice. Even though you see me with showing you this is not what I'm going to be using. Instead, I'm going to be using this in a mask. So instead of using this on my face, I'm going to use this in a mask. Okay, so I'm going to add a mask to my skincare routine. As I said before, instead of using this, I'm going to go in with this. So this is just going to give me this on my skin, nice and settled down. Okay, we want to make sure it's nice and calm and cute and pretty and supple and full of hydration. So I'm going to leave this for like 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes. You can leave it. I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes because I don't really have time to wait for 10-20 minutes, because 10 minutes is good enough for me. So this is what I'm going to use.
Sometimes I wish that I didn't care. Bleeding my darkest, love is the hardest. The faster I go. Gold in my pocket, I made a promise, and harder I hold. Love all I can, love it till my love runs out. Give all I can, give it till I hit the ground. Never love myself enough to let it down. I love until I'm never the count. I love until I'm never the count. I love until I'm never the count. Hold my breath just so I can hold you closer. Hold my heart just so I can feel it break. I'm a lot, but I would never be a loner. To never love in all of my days. Bleeding my darkest, love is the hardest. The faster I go. Gold in my pocket, I made a promise, and harder I hold. Love all I
Oh, and I'm going to go in with my Caffeine Solution under my eyes. So you're gonna see Caffeine Solution.
love myself enough to let it down. I love until I'm never the count. I love until I'm never the count. I love until I'm never the count. Let the water pull me deep under the current, but I won't let myself come on up for air. Get too much even though you never earned it. Sometimes I wish that I didn't care.
And then right after that, your girl is gonna go in with this. This is the Clears Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask.
Sometimes I wish that I didn't care. Bleeding my darkest, love is the hardest. The faster I go. Gold in my pocket, I made a promise, and harder I hold. Love all I can, love it till my love runs out. Give all I can, give it till I hit the ground. Never love myself enough to let it down. I love until I'm never the count.
Hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any, and don't forget to click that notification bell. Walk in your purpose, live in your purpose, read your Bible, pray every day. I'm not even just saying this verbatimly because I can talk. I'm telling you to live, walk according to the purpose and the will of God, because in 2023 it's not normal. Spend some time with God. Know God, because you have no excuse. There's no excuse for anybody to die in sin. No excuse. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh to the Father except through me. It's high time now that we settle for this life of flesh. Life is much more than just this physical world. Life is also a spiritual world, and this is the reason why death is involved in human existence, because mankind, we are not physical. We are not physical, and this is what we have to understand, that we are not physical. We're not just physical, and this is the reason why we die, because we're not just physical. We're more than physical. And I'm telling you, 2023, this generation, it is there's no excuse. We have no excuse. A lot of us, we have no excuse. We can't say we didn't know about Jesus. We can't give any excuses. Everything has presented itself. Everything has presented itself to us. There's evidence, there's experiences, whether or not you don't believe in Jesus, the things that are happening in this world. The signs are there. When you look at the environment, when you check the seasons, you can say, oh, it's winter based on how it feels. Oh, it's summer based on how the time feels, based on how the sun, rotates, and the earth rotates around the sun. We have various seasons. So how is it that we can we can talk about various seasons in the year, and we can predict it based on what we can see with our eyes, but yet still we don't want to accept, and we don't want to acknowledge the fact that there is a spiritual realm. We don't want to accept the fact that when we die, spirit is involved. We accept that evil and bad luck and all of those things exist, but we don't want to accept the fact that Jesus Christ exists to redeem us and to save us from our sin and all of that stuff. I'm telling you, encouraging you, seek Jesus.